In this video, you'll learn how to link your bank account to eBay. By following these steps, you will ensure that your sales payouts are directed to your bank account efficiently. And begin by logging into your eBay account. You can do this through either the official website or the mobile app. Once you have successfully signed in, look for your account profile. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. After accessing your profile, navigate to the account settings section to proceed. Next, within the account settings, locate the payments or payout settings. This section is crucial as it controls how you receive money from your sales. Click on this option to access the relevant settings. Ensure that all your account information displayed is accurate, as having the correct details will facilitate a smooth linking process. Inside the payments or payout settings, find the option labeled Link Bank Account or Add Bank Account. Click on this option to initiate the linking process. You will then be prompted to enter your banking details, including your bank name, routing number, and account number. It is essential to double check this information before submitting to avoid any errors that could delay the process. Once you have entered your banking details, eBay may initiate a verification process. This step could involve sending small test deposits to your bank account or requesting you to confirm identity information. It is important to follow the verification instructions carefully. Completing this step ensures that your bank account is properly linked to your eBay account. After the verification is complete, your bank account will officially be linked to your eBay account. From this point onwards, sales payouts can be automatically transferred to your bank account. Keep in mind that the linking process may take some time depending on your bank's processing speed, and ensure that you have sufficient funds to cover any potential fees related to the verification process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.